I never ask if you a night rest of your house yet, Nikki Blackz. I never ask if you a plate of food, Nikki Blackz. Nikki Blackz, I'm surely never did a beg you fuck. I never did a beg you fuck. So good, Nikki Blackz. Nikki Blackz say, yep, family, I look for you and them dirty, your teeth dirty, your feet dirty, Nikki Blackz. Nikki Blackz say, you talk about lava, you talk about money, what you weigh enough up yourself and come and New York, never look at you. Talk facts now, Nikki Blackz. Lava never look at you. I never call none of you name this man and I mean, feel like I don't want to come eat and I have strength for. Nikki Blackz don't show me. Asylum me come here pan. I don't need to look no blood clot. I don't need to look no blood clot stay from none of you. I don't come here, I don't need to marry that girl. I don't need to marry that boy. You get what I say? Shocking nobody come here come talk about say this no look good. I'm tired of them, man. Like, I'm honestly tired of them. I'm fucking tired of them. Like Nikki Blackz, I look my pussy for them. Nikki Blackz, I'm on my period. I'm want to slap you with the bloody pad with the underneath my foot. At the level them I go pan with you now, Nikki Blackz. Dirty Nikki Blackz. The whole of you in the comments you say too much. I don't want to hear nothing about on dirty Nikki Blackz and all clothes Kells. Kells with the roach egg them in our clothes. Kells with mice in our drawer, in our clothes. Them and I look pan now. You can't come here, come rub me. When you feel like say every blood clot there, I go sit down and say, oh, may I be the peacemaker, may I be the peacemaker. Nikki will confuse her, don't know if she want to eat pussy or she don't want to suck cocky. Nikki Blackz say, go on like say, yeah, blood clot, peacemaker, defender of the earth. Nikki Blackz, you and the whole of them are low life. I'm not call none of them name forget, none of them no ratings and no ailments. And that may I make you know. I hear name alone, I come here and suck with Nikki Blackz, stinking Nikki Blackz, hungry Nikki Blackz, Nikki Blackz with the Jamaica flag pan her teeth, Nikki Blackz with the noir H paper, and you me come out and you me a focus pan. You me come out and you me a focus pan. The fuck? What's your fucking problem? At the end of the day, them say me no for address lava, but me a talk about lava too. Cause lava cause all a blood clot. This what they may chat to lava and lava up on a blood clot conference call. I'm a talk to lava about it. So if me a talk, me have to talk from the head, come straight down to the blood clot tail. After lava never mind me nor feed me. At the end of the day, I tell Lava say from the girl company platform, a peer problem I got start and Lava himself is fucking selfish and half himself and Lava could use me. Lava for tell the people them the sleepless nights when they on the phone and counsel him and I chat to him about things so make film platform be great. And when that time come, him back out them know who for them and who them not for them. But at the end of the day, none of them never make me reach a foreign. You get what me I say? I do what I did have to do. I'm a reach here. I'm a now look back. Somebody called Dirty Mouth Nikki Blackz. I met Nikki Blackz come on the live. Nikki Blackz and I dirty come below them and me alone against the whole of one. You can't see me and beat me in a farm because I know my last them too. And my family spread straight across in America. Shan, I tell you, leave shit out swept up alone because them low life in a foreign. I not come here for talk about she. I not come here for talk about that. And this them did want. And this them did want. And this them did want. I don't know what them saying and I cook up on a team up on a group up, but them can't fight me and beat me. None of them can't see me and grab me. Because them don't know who are my people, them and them don't know who are my family, them in a foreign. You think of this I come here so far? Every day she come from me name. I'm supposed to ball over dildo. I'm supposed to ball over dildo. Nikki Blackz, check the facts about me. I don't live in New York, Nikki Blackz. I California, I'm there right now. I don't live in New York. Yes, if I need to get a job, Nikki Blackz, I've been working ages ago. You low, I'm not hear you.
You not hear me.
Oh, I'm not hear you now.
Shan, me tell you, say, come off for that and stop follow up them. Because BA mix up the people them love. You know, see that? Because Nikki go talk about twep. Twep on nobody. Twep now live no life in a foreign. Twep them a dog shit. What if Tanto left twep for you? Twep them in a class, you know, buddy. Twep them a class. I be a lie them come on the media and tell. Be a lie. Be a lie. Because first thing you go on Mojo live this morning. You never say nothing. Just like how you did it on Batman live what year. Emily live what year. And them tell Emily say, Black you say things and you just watch the live. Nikki them a big woman. Nikki them for Lego certain things. Who is twep? She go say she take with tante from you. Are you for shame of yourself? Cause twep on nobody. Twep on somebody. Twep them a shit house. Twep them a things. If the boy fuck she and run left, she and not even him or the baby father. If the father fuck she and the son fuck she. Twep them a somebody. Twep them a shit. Tante them a somebody. Twep them a papers. When them ever get papers? Nikki for go encourage her some things in her head. Cause nothing about twep. Twep a shit. Twep a somebody. Them a go like them a things in a foreign. You run come here there a shelter. Them a worry about you on shelter. Tell people them say I work no idiot. Tell people them say I live in New York again no dopey. You make them a class and a style upon me. Look on twep. Twep them a make sense in a foreign. Twep have papers. She have ID. Everything them come on the media and share. I be a police now go start set them up with on the internet. Them for Lego certain things. You know trouble like so she quick she come on Nikki live and Nikki now tell her for done. And them quick for say you a trouble her. And she over there class her she get company about you join everybody live for class her. Some people go talk about but glad to twep now upon live again. What about twep? Twep now makes sense and your name she said twep a shit that my friend. Anything when name twep a shit. That a twep what about twep? Twep go stalk her mama. She and her friend them on the live and leave the little girl alone. Tells that this and that, all them a fix that, all on a woman, all on come from Jamaica, that's why I'm gonna fuck with Jamaica, all on a hypocrite. If lava even help you with cheebies, what have to talk about? Everybody them say lava help who? Eh? Why twep not tell lava say, she did call for money to buy a guest ticket. I lava buy Shan him ticket, you know, and twep still beg, you know. Me have screenshot on my phone with twep come ask me for help for Mexico too, you know. Me have screenshot on my phone time to ask me to come stay at my yard, you know. Because they never look somewhere for blood clots stay. Everything them say lava help what? Through lava the chat and laugh, lava help everybody. Them for talk true, man, I be a lie themselves on the internet. And you see people them on the internet, them full of mix up. Except them go over there say, go say you say, them a take everything what you say, what them say. Because so the comment section work. Every minute them carry news and them believe. Look why them just go over there go tell Nikki say, yeah, work with a fake page and she believe. Everything them blood clot believe over there. Everything them believe. It's a mix up. I tell you, say people them don't know you on the internet. The end of the day them go talk, be a shit.